Your legs are getting heavy, and you can't lift or move them. You can't move your head sideways because something is splashing and squealing in your ears. You are afraid that your head will explode or come out of your eye sockets. You feel your head like a meter diameter and you are small inside. And yet you don't fit and you feel that the balloon will burst. These are not hypnotic signals or sleep. This is the reality of a 35-year-old man who is sitting on the couch and afraid to move. This is my story, and so the space found me suddenly and without hope. The doctor came with a stupefyingly relaxing injection so that I would de-stress and not think about the company and who to save the accumulated money. He saw blood vessels burst in my eyes and eyes came in. Blood pressure 285 by 180, he measured twice because he thought that the pressure apparatus had broken. My feet were dry and black, above they turned into a kind of filiu and brown spots and ended with orange and brown spots at the knees. Legs up to his knees were swollen with water like poles. The shoes could not be used. I had to walk in 2 big clogs. The doctor, a colleague, said I was a few years old and the pills would not help me much. He directed me to a cardiologist who came from East Germany and came to West Germany after opening the borders. He was a very good doctor, but after examining the thickness of the heart muscle, possible enlarged heart chamber and various shifts and chemical analyses, he said that I was done. He referred me to a doctor in Bielefeld, Germany. A nephrologist examined my entry and exit from the kidneys, which is often the cause of hypertension, but her results showed nothing wrong. So it's alright but I'll die? Where does this blood pressure come from? Stress? Overweight? No movement? Too much coffee and cookies in business conversations? The medications that the cardiologist in Germany prescribed to me, supposedly modern, but they did not work and gave high blood pressure and swollen legs and strange colors. 35 years, is something wrong here? And then I started to follow my diet and look for solutions in all directions. Of course, I read various books and articles. I was at the Fairies and Diviners, at a painter in Australia, who made urine diagnoses in a jar viewed under the light. Everything was correct. There was another one who connected the patient to the cables and turned the crank, and the results and diagnosis appeared on the printout. There was also a sensory young man from Ukraine who read diseases with the help of a pendulum twisted quickly over my hand. She was a healer, who saw and told about all my scars, and I didn't take off my shirt at all, nor did she touch me. And finally I came across a herbalist's prescription, a very good one that heals scratching the skin, even serious diseases. She made me realize that every man has thousands of microcellular inflammations, and my body can't fight them or throw them on the skin surface or through the intestines. I'm too healthy to have one disease as emanations of these micro-inflammatory conditions. So, if I do nothing, I will explode. For hypertension, I will take it to the end of my life, but they only inhibit the effect, but do not heal the cause. I will tell you about the actual medicines later. Because they are, and this herbalist has healed many people. Another person successfully treating hypertension is a priest, also about him later. Currently, I will present to you a few points that healed me, certainly in part, and prison terms have already passed in 8 years, and blood pressure is normal. Of course, I still take pills. Although not such great doses. The first point is diet. The second point is a special diet with channel cleaning and detoxification in the sense of removing negative feedback. The third point is gymnastics, and basically daily movement without excuses that it is raining, etc. The fourth point is overconsciousness and understanding of capillaries in nature. For advanced people, I have a fifth point, which talks about apoptotic cells in Bela cocktails, a pharmacist from Italy who cured more than 5,000 patients from cancer in the 70s of the 20th century. Confirmed cases and many more are up to 10,000 people. More on my website in the articles and in the next video, because it is worth saying that I managed to escape the disease and death. My diet is no miracle diet. However, I lost weight from 140 kilograms to 88 kilograms today. And my legs have no swelling and no black rain spots. I will also tell you this later. I will show you that the diet consists of what we like, not what is fashionable. Until next time.